when you're thinking about designing your clinical study and all the things the stakeholders need, it's important to take a kind of a reality check too and say, is it feasible to get all these things done in one study? Even if it's feasible on paper, is it feasible in the clinic? So, you know, if I go to a site and say, hey, here's the protocol, are they going to say, this is just not feasible with how the real world works? So, you know, as part of your stakeholders, that kind of realistic view and views from the clinicians doing the work and having kind of that scientific board that can help give you what will work when it's time to execute that study is very important.
Efficient clinical trial design is really important. The more you measure, there's a cost associated with measurement, there's a cost associated with missing data in terms of data integrity and the validation of your study, and overreach. So this is a concern that should be thought of early on. So understanding what are the regulatory endpoints, what's need to have, what's nice to have. Remember, your company is bootstrapped. Most likely, you're going to be hitting different milestones. Do you need to hit everything on the first milestone? Is it enough to have a minimal trial to get through FDA and get cleared or approved, and then have more revenue either through sales or through a milestone that will bring in more venture money or investment money that would allow a second study later on? So understanding your cycle, your milestones, what's critical to have and building it in is very important. Overreach can have consequences as well as efficiency, so it's important to understand everything that you're measuring.